Here's how to create this shake transition in Premiere Pro. Go to the Project panel and right-click, select New Item, then Adjustment Layer. Accept the default settings and drag it above your clips on the timeline. Right-click the adjustment layer and select Speed Duration, change the value to 10 and click OK. Place your adjustment layer so it's perfectly centered between your two clips. Go to Effects and search for Transform. Add it to your adjustment layer. From the start of the layer, go to Effect Controls and scroll down to Transform. Click the stopwatch icon next to Scale, Skew, and Skew Axis. Move your timeline slider to the center of the two clips. Change Scale to 140, Skew to 10, and Skew Axis to a large amount. Now move to the end of the adjustment layer and reset the keyframe values for all three effects. Uncheck the Use Composition Shutter Angle and change the angle to 360.